Fix Windows can't communicate with the device or resource, primary DNS server, error. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Clear DNS cache and reset winsock. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Fix 2. Update network drivers. Let's start by updating Windows and installing all optional updates. Note, if you don't have internet, you should connect to the Ethernet or use a hotspot. It is necessary to install optional updates because that's where driver updates are located. Reboot your PC. Fix 4. Reset TCP/IP. TCP/IP is a set of communication protocols that enable devices to connect and communicate with each other over the Internet or any other network. Resetting your TCP/IP might help you resolve the issue. Fix 5. Try a different DNS provider. DNS servers act as a directory for website IP addresses. Changing DNS settings can bypass network issues and improve Internet connectivity by allowing devices to connect to a different DNS server that may have a faster response time or fewer connectivity issues.